How to join Stumble Guys Discord server. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it says Discover under all your servers. Then once you click on the option, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to go on the search button. You're gonna have to search up Stumble Guys. Then once you do that, click on enter and it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the first option right here where it says Stumble Guys. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on join Stumble Guys. Then it should take a while. You're gonna have to click on start. Now it should ask you a few questions, so just answer that. What do you want to do in the community? So just click on whatever you want to do. I'm gonna just click on skip for now. What platform you play on? So I play on an iOS, so I'm gonna just click on that. Click on next. What server regions do you play on? So I'm in North America, so I'm gonna just click on that, then click on next. Now from here, make sure you read all the server rules, then scroll down, then click on finish. And now you should be in the server. You could go on general, you could type, you could do whatever you want. You could talk to new people. So this would have helped you. Make sure you likes and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.